Hi, and welcome to build video number 22. This is just going to be a nice quick build video. All we're doing here is neatening up all this wiring with some wire ties. So we'll get a few. Hopefully you can, let's turn this around so you can see. Hopefully you can see. So all we're going to do is wire tie as we go. Keeping them all nice and straight. Obviously right now we still have this that wants wiring, but don't worry about that yet. Chop all the ends off. I'm not cutting the wires. Okay. So that's that. So I'm going to turn it around. Put it up there. Then we're going to get one of these green things and stick it right up there. So we can wire tie. At least stick side. And you can peel them off. There we go. So that's going to go roughly around there. Because what will happen is we'll feed this wire in and run it down and round there along with this. So let's do that now. Let's grab another wire tie, feed it through there, put that up there, put around the ribbon cables as well. Okay, we'll put it there. There we go. That keeps all that out of the way. And then what we'll do is we'll add another one. Starts to get hard on all those wires there, but let's get the gist. Let's add another one there. I'm going to put it there, so you can see that. And then we want another wire tie. Oops, what we'll do is we'll feed that through. We'll try and incorporate all this. Clip. Okay. Let's get it started. Okay, so that's started, and we can double up any wires we see fit. nice and tight. Snip it off. Okay, so that's that all tidy. Put that in there. There we go. So, build number, I think it's build number video number 21, or it might be number 22. Done.